On this new short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat login problem. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager like this, and then go to the Snapchat. Click here on force stop and go down. You will find this storage option. Click on clear data and click here on delete. Go back, and now what you want to do next is go back to the settings of your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it for 10 seconds and then disable it. And then all what you want to do is open the Play Store, search for Snapchat and update it if you found an update option. You can do the same thing on the App Store iPhone, by the way. If the problem is not solved yet, then you may have to remove Snapchat from your phone and re-download it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.